All right, so ignore all the tabs open. um, could go over here to where this is my main website and go over here to where it says log in. Now, if you don't have a password yet, you go down to here under submit where it says reset or create password, and that will give you the chance to do that. Once you do have a password, you put it in, you click remember me and then submit. And that way, hopefully it'll remember you if you want that. All right, so here's the Compassion Club. Click on that. Oh, dive in now. There we go. I will show you. So hopefully you got in here with me. If not, please hit reply or make a comment and let me know. This is the welcome and essential member info. This has your membership packet. You can download it right here. I'm gonna just point at that because it's kind of a weird color. I've got to change that color. Then you can stay here and it has the other modules right here, right? Or you can go back out, but let's go to community guidelines. So planning on getting to these Saturday is going over the community guidelines and certainly make comments, add. This is a living document. This is not something imposed by me, but this is something that has been helpful with facilitating other groups. And I feel like it's important to all agree to the same guidelines. How to cancel your subscription is right here if you feel like it's not for you. And joining the Heartbeat community. So we'll go there another time. All right, so I'm going back to categories. So I'm just going back on this button here. Links and calendars. So these are all the Zoom links. Yes, you're going to get emails, but if you can't locate the email, it's right here. If you click on this link, it takes you right. Assuming you have Zoom already, you have to download Zoom. It takes you right there. All right, it doesn't tell you what dates. So this is your monthly calendars. You can actually download these. Where is it? Up here. So where it says downloads here, you can click on this and you can download them and print them out if you want to. Or you can just look at them right here. And this tells us when we're meeting, when we're not meeting. All right, so this Wednesday we won't be meeting. And then Monday. Okay, I'm going to go back to categories. Now we have a lot of different little courses, sections that have classes in them. Today I'll highlight the Clear and Present Yoga course. You can come down to that, and I'll invite you to click on Establish a New Micro Habit, which is a video. It's a 2.5 minute video, so good place to start. And it's talking about micro habits. So something that I find very helpful that we did a lot of work on this summer, and invite you to watch that video. When you've watched that video, please, you can put a comment down. Where are the comment section? Oh, you can put a comment underneath the video, or you can email me, or you can go into Heartbeat if you're already there and make a comment. All right, that is it. That's enough, right? Of course, feel free to explore. There are lots and lots of yoga classes on here. There's one nature inspired that I recommended if you want to work on hips a little bit. This is a 55-minute full yoga class with nice background. So not the greatest quality, but it's pretty. All right, so I'm going to stop screen sharing. sirens outside you might be able to hear. And thank you for joining me for the tutorial. I love questions.